people come in here from different background, from different city, from different parts of the country. And you know what? People are coming from different come from. Tapos di nila alam anong mangyayari, no? Anong magaganap. All they have for themselves is one thing. And if you're gonna ask me what that one thing is, they just wanna become a better person. They just wanna see a better version of who they are.
Discovery Seminar is really having that awareness that whatever is going on in your life, whether you like what's going on or you hate what's going on, you have all the answer, all the solution, and all we have to do is find out who you are, find out what's going on, and you now create the best possible life ever you cannot even imagine happening in your life.
How many of you here you want to discover yourself even deeper? Let's process what happened here.
Discovery, I was able to discover a lot about my patterns, a lot about what I have to do, which is simply self-love and self-worth. And realizing all that, imagine the potential. Guys, imagine that right now, ngayon, sobrang mas masaya pa. Like, in my level of fulfillment, in my level of happiness, I know I'm happy. I know I can move forward. I know how to manage my happiness. I know the happiness formula. But, ibang level yung happiness when you attend Discovery. So, guys, one sentence to describe Discovery, it will be fully experiential and transformational.
One thing for sure, if you're looking for something, it's all inside you. So I'm thanking and honoring everyone for choosing to trust the program, because all I know is you deserve the biggest and wildest dream. You deserve the best life. All you need to do is go inside and discover who you truly are. Amazing, beautiful creation of God, limitless being.